tree structure of the nodes. So here we don't have any element passed in the array, so when we pass the element, it will just act as the parent node. So let me pass one over here, and you can see that one popped over there. And whenever you pass any next element to the array, then this will first construct to the left side, and then when you iterate plus 1 and 1, it will go to the left and right, left and right serially. So let us visualize this. So when I pass 2, it will construct it level to the left side, and when I pass again 3, it will go to the right side. It doesn't matter what number you put in, it is in the sequence, right? So let me pass 2, and when I pass 2, it comes to the left side, and when pass 3 comes to the right side. And as I've said, you can put any number you want, because it works in a sequence, right? So let me put 5, and when I put 5, so this will come to here, and when I put another number in the equation, it will go to this node, and when I iterate plus 1 again, and it will pass to this node and this node, and again. So let us look. So we have our 4 passed as 5, as 6, as 7, as, and so on. This moves and so on. So this is how the tree traverse from the root node to the left node to the right node, and passing to the child node. It traverse to the sub child node to the left and right, and basically it moves to from left to right from the root node. That's it. Thank you.